Welcome back, guys. Today, we are bringing you some mind-blowing kitchen gadgets you probably didn't even know existed. From quirky time savers to genius cooking tools, these gadgets will take your kitchen game to the next level. As usual, links to all the products are in the descriptions below, so you can grab your favorites. So, let's get started. Number 10. External Adjustable Rechargeable Pepper Grinder. Stylish and convenient. This adjustable pepper grinder combines style and functionality in a sleek, portable design. Perfect for grinding both salt and pepper, it features an adjustable coarseness setting for customized seasoning. Its rechargeable electric motor offers effortless grinding with just a button press, eliminating manual effort. Compact and fashionable, it fits easily into any kitchen or dining setting. Ideal for everyday cooking, it enhances flavor with consistent grinding while saving time and reducing mess. This versatile spice mill is a must-have kitchen gadget, bringing convenience, precision, and style to your culinary routine. The next is Number 9. liabery Stainless Steel Mandoline Slicer. Quick, safe, and precise slicing. This vegetable slicer is a high-quality, must-have kitchen tool for slicing potatoes, tomatoes, onions, carrots, and more. Made from durable PP and stainless steel, this adjustable mandoline slicer ensures fast, uniform cuts with minimal effort. It's easy to operate and designed with safety in mind, making food prep efficient and worry-free. Weighing only 700 g, it's lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for daily use. Ideal for creating salads, stir-fries, or garnishes, this slicer saves time, enhances precision, and keeps your kitchen routine clean and consistent. An essential companion for every modern home cook. The next is Number 8. Dewa's Electric Can Opener. Effortless and safe can opening. This electric can opener offers a hassle-free solution for opening canned food. Simply place it on the can, press the one-touch button, and it automatically opens the lid with smooth, safe edges, no mess or hand strain. Powered by a smart chipset, it ensures stable cutting, low noise, and overload protection. Made with a high-hardness stainless steel cutter head, it easily handles 99% of can shapes. Rechargeable via Type-C with a 1000 mAh battery, it delivers up to 120 minutes of use. Ideal for all kitchens, it enhances safety, speed, and convenience in everyday cooking. The next is Number 7. Liabery Professional Kitchen Blender. Power, precision, and versatility. This professional kitchen blender delivers 2,200 watts of powerful performance, effortlessly crushing ice, blending smoothies, and grinding dry ingredients. Featuring a 2 liters BPA-free low-profile jar, it fits easily under cabinets while providing ample capacity for large batches. With 3 preset auto programs, ice crush, dry grinding, and smoothie, it simplifies meal prep in minutes. Variable speed control and a pulse function offer culinary precision for everything from purees to frozen cocktails. Ideal for daily use, it supports a healthy lifestyle by making nutritious drinks, soups, and sauces quick and easy. Durable and safe, it's a must-have for any modern kitchen. The next is Number 6. Divisib 4-in-1 Automatic Milk Frother. Perfect froth every time. This electric milk frother delivers smooth, creamy froth with ease. With a 350 milliliters stainless steel pitcher, it supports hot and cold frothing and heating, ideal for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. Designed for dairy milk, it creates consistent froth when using fresh, cold milk at 46 degrees Celsius. Barista-style plant milk can also be used for non-dairy options. Its dishwasher-safe design ensures quick cleanup, while clear max fill indicators prevent overflow. Compact and efficient, this frother simplifies your daily coffee routine, enhancing every cup with cafe-quality foam at home, making your kitchen your favorite coffee spot. The next is Number 5. Liabery 4-in-1 Hand Stick Blender. Power, precision, and versatility. This hand stick blender is a powerful 1,200 watts kitchen tool that blends, chops, whisks, and mixes with ease. It includes stainless steel ice blades, a 600 milliliter smoothie cup, 500 milliliters chopper, egg whisk, and mixing beaker, perfect for making soups, smoothies, baby food, and sauces. With 6 speed settings and one-hand operation, it delivers precise results for various tasks. Its detachable shaft ensures easy cleaning under warm water or in the dishwasher. This compact yet efficient blender saves time and space, making it an ideal companion for everyday cooking in modern kitchens. The next is Number 4. Silver Bread Maker Toaster, efficient and perfectly toasted every time. This silver bread maker toaster is a must-have for busy mornings. With the capacity to bake 6 slices at once, it ensures golden, crispy outsides and soft insides every time. Its powerful heating system and adjustable timing deliver consistent, even toasting. Ideal for family breakfasts, it saves time and effort while enhancing flavor. The sleek design fits any kitchen decor, and its user-friendly features make it perfect for daily use. Enjoy convenience, speed, and quality every morning. This toaster transforms simple bread into a warm, delicious experience, becoming your reliable breakfast assistant every day. The next is Number 3. Biolamix SJ023 Cold Press Juicer, high yield, BPA-free, easy to use. This cold press juicer is a premium kitchen appliance designed for health-conscious individuals. Featuring a 130mm wide feed chute, it fits whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time. Its triple filter system 2mm, 0.8mm, 0.5mm ensures maximum juice yield and purity. Made from BPA-free materials, it offers a safe, wholesome juicing experience. The safety lid design and reverse function prevent blockages, enhancing smooth operation. Easy to assemble and clean, it fits seamlessly into daily routines. Perfect for making nutritious juices, this slow-masticating juicer boosts energy, supports wellness, and simplifies healthy living every day. The next is Number 2. 3-in-1 Electric Food Processor, Vegetable Dicer, Chopper and Slicer. The 3-in-1 electric food processor is a must-have kitchen appliance for anyone seeking convenience and efficiency in meal preparation. This multifunctional tool combines 3 essential functions, vegetable dicing, chopping, and slicing, into one compact device. Whether you're working with potatoes, onions, carrots, or other vegetables, this processor handles it all with ease. Equipped with 3 durable stainless steel blades, it ensures fast, precise cutting with minimal manual effort. The powerful motor speeds up your kitchen tasks, making it perfect for preparing salads, stir-fries, soups, or snacks. It helps deliver consistent results, ensuring that your ingredients are cut uniformly every time. Its user-friendly design includes an easy-to-operate interface and detachable components that are simple to clean, saving time on both cooking and cleanup. The space-saving design allows it to fit neatly in any kitchen, whether large or small, making it ideal for daily use. With its combination of speed, safety, and versatility, the 3-in-1 electric food processor enhances your cooking experience, reduces kitchen mess, and cuts prep time significantly. Whether you're a busy professional, home cook, or beginner in the kitchen, this processor is a practical and efficient addition to your culinary tools. The next is Number 1. Electric Potato Chips Cutter, Stainless Steel Vegetable Cutting Machine with 2 blades. This potato chips cutter is a high-performance kitchen appliance crafted for effortless slicing of potatoes and a variety of vegetables. Constructed from premium stainless steel, this durable machine is built to withstand regular use while maintaining its sharpness and reliability. Equipped with 2 interchangeable blades, it offers versatile cutting options, ideal for creating crispy French fries or thin chips in just seconds. Whether you're preparing snacks, side dishes, or full meals, this electric cutter ensures uniform slices every time, enhancing both presentation and cooking consistency. Its electric-powered operation eliminates the need for manual slicing, allowing for a hands-free, efficient experience in the kitchen. This is especially useful for busy households, large families, or anyone who wants to speed up meal prep without sacrificing quality. The compact and sleek design fits neatly into any kitchen setup, while the removable parts make cleanup quick and hassle-free. With its simple operation and dependable performance, it's a perfect choice for both home cooks and professionals looking to streamline their workflow. Add precision, speed, and ease to your cooking routine with the electric potato chips cutter. From crispy fries to perfectly sliced vegetables, it transforms everyday food preparation into a faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable process.